Hello YouTube. Anyways, today is going to be an unboxing, kind of also maybe a little bit of a review of this cloud putty, which is like slime. You can get it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below, which I've played with this before. Yeah, so I just got some because it wasn't mine that I played with before, so let's go ahead and open it. So go ahead and like and subscribe down below if you want to like these sort of videos, because I do unboxings. So we're going to open it up, see what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, and it doesn't smell like strawberries. It's brand new. So now I'm going to go ahead and open it. And this is plastic, and there's some plastic, and it feels really good. It kind of feels like a clayish. So I'm going to it looks like cotton candy. It does smell good. And I played with this before, and you can break off like little chunks and pieces, and it does stretch pretty good. See that stretch? And it looks like cotton candy. Not that you can really tell that on camera, but it does in person kind of look like cotton candy. It's supposed to be like cotton candy putty, and it smells good, like strawberry. So if you guys are deciding to buy this from Amazon or wherever, I would recommend it. I really like it, and it's fun to play with. And here it kind of looks like cotton candy. Here, let's see if I can get like a better view, a better focus of what it looks like stretched. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Anyways, thank you all. Have a great day. See ya.